Verifying your domain on RocketReach is an essential step to ensure you can utilize their services effectively. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into RocketReach. Access your RocketReach account by entering your credentials on the login page. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to domain verification. Once logged in, go to the settings or account section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled domain verification or similar. Step 3. Add your domain. In the domain verification section, enter the domain you wish to verify. Make sure to input the correct domain name without any typos. Step 4. Choose verification method. Select a verification method. RocketReach typically offers options such as adding a TXT record to your DNS settings or uploading an HTML file to your website. Choose the method that best suits your capabilities. Step 5. Confirm verification. After implementing the chosen verification method, return to RocketReach and click on the Verify button. Wait for the system to check your domain, and you should receive a confirmation once the verification is successful. Once you have completed these steps, your domain will be verified, allowing you to fully utilize RocketReach's features.